Hi, I'm Bill Moore, and I'm on a mission to add alpha to your trading through the power of relative value analysis. If you're looking for more candlestick patterns, then this is not for you. But if you're ready to take it to the next level and trade like a professional, stick around. So today we've made a new basket of stocks having to do with precious metals. And I think there were 36, I believe, symbols that we ended up with. And with that, we ran it with no filters whatsoever, so that equates to 630 different pairs we're looking at here. So let's take a quick look and hit our normal 0.8 correlation, our 0.8 RW coefficient. Let's say at least 3 winners and 5% up and down for expectation value. That's kind of a set that finds some good things normally. And when we do that, I think we've got quite a number of things in here. So let's do one other thing. Let's kick this up a notch. Let's put this up to 4. That narrows it down quite a lot. So yeah, I took a look at this earlier, and there are some nice things in here, but as seems to be quite common, the one that has been the best behaved, which means in the last couple of years this would have made us a winner 7 times, was this one. So let's take a quick look at this in the analysis. And that picture is really nice. Now it's had a little bit of an upward drift on the mean here, but the past, what is this here? Let's say almost a year, no, a little over a year, the picture has been spectacular, perfect, and it's just now outside the second standard deviation again out here. So the track record confirms that. It says we've been outside the second standard deviation 8 times and returned profitably to the mean 7. And the only reason it's on 7 instead of 8 is because the 8th one is currently open. And that's the one we're going to try to make some money off of. So let's go take a look at this in the Observe page. Okay, this is this beautiful picture that we were looking at earlier. And it still looks beautiful. It even had a down move today. So the trend indicator has barely wiggled as far as coming back down because it's still near the highs for the pair. But I'm going to take a look at it, and if it even looks like it's going down tomorrow, I'm going to put this one on because the track record is too perfect, absolutely too perfect. And it doesn't have that far to go, right? It's only, where is it at right now? 2.75, and it's coming down to 1.36. So yeah, I'm gonna put this one on in a hurry if it looks like it's going that direction. Let's take a look at the hitting probabilities. So now look, this doesn't have a huge, strong downward slope, but I think some of that has to do with the scale because this is not a very high-priced pair, 2.748, and so and I think the scale has something to do with that. But overall, it does have a it does have a downward slope, which is the most important thing. The latest price, 2.75, let's say. Let's run the Monte Carlo simulation. And with that in tow, it says that in 30 days, we've got better than a 90% chance of being a winner. I like that. And if we're using a target price of 1.37, which I don't think that's unreasonable, then it's saying half the time we're going to get there in 16 bars, with the mode being 8. So this is suggesting a pretty quick return, and I think that's indicative of that picture, right? Because it has just been zipping up and down, and it just doesn't have that far to go. So yeah, I think this is a good one to put on. Let's go. Let's make this the recommendation. Let's jump back to the detail page. So it's going to be BVN and BTG. The correlation is 0.89. The RW coefficient 0.7957. The ratio that we're trading is 4.99. That's a great picture, and we have a track record, a perfect track record, of outside the second standard deviation 8 times, returns profitably to the mean 7, and the current one is still open. And we have an 8-day mode here, right? The most common number of trading days to get back to the mean, according to our model, is only 8 days, which is very good. So our recommendation of the day, BVN minus 4.99 of BTG. It is a short, So for every share of BVN that you sell, you're going to buy 4.99 shares of BTG. Good luck with your trading.